So, good evening, guys. I'm just making this short video to show you. Once I didn't find any video of United Pacific emergency tone horn, and I'm going to show you how it sounds and all that. I'm sorry about my English; it's not perfect, but I think it's not with the accent of Antonio Guterres, the General Secretary of State of ONU and the United Nations. And so let's show this. So first of all, here you have the boxes, okay. Emergency horn with the measures, so 5 1/4, length 25 1/2, with 6 diameter. I think the reference it's around here, so 6 diameter. Okay, oh, it's here. It's the 46174. Okay, I asked to United Pacific, they didn't answer me. I asked for the seller, he didn't have a video. I found 2 videos and they say it's United Pacific, but we didn't see the horns. And here we have United Pacific. Okay, they are quite good. They are metal. Okay, of course no one likes this finish, but it's okay. And as you see, it's nice to put on the truck. So let's see how it runs. So the pressure right now, it's at 10 bar, and you have 10 meters of tube, so it's quite long and low pressure. But I think the test is made to check how it sounds. I hope you like it, and bye, guys.